channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifeoma. If you're an OG, thank you so much for sticking to the channel, guys. See, this has been long coming. I don't even know what's wrong with me, but trust me, guys, I have you guys in my heart. Like, I have you guys. I don't know, sometimes a whole lot of things just happen to me that I don't even have the time to sit down and start editing. I know I give this story all the time, but believe me, guys, I have you guys in my heart. And thank you to everyone out there who is always reaching out to me, you know, telling me things like, why not do it this way, why not try it this way. And guys, see, I appreciate every one of you from the bottom of my heart. I hope I'm not talking too fast, because I know a lot of you have slammed me that I talk too fast, and I'm trying to learn new ways to talk better or communicate better with you guys. But first and foremost, guys, see, I've missed you guys on this channel. I've missed doing a sit-down video. I'm trying as much as possible to see that I incorporate sit-down videos aside vlogs. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but either which way, guys, I will try my best. And see, I'm praying to be serious. I'm really praying to be serious. See, guys, I'm not trying to say I'm not serious. I'm serious, but things are just happening too fast, and I don't even know how to, you know, I'm still trying to organize myself. I'm still trying to put myself together, you know, to just find a suitable way I can deliver on this channel, right? Because I really have a lot of things I want to deliver on this channel. I won't even lie about that. But anyway, let me cut the long story short, or before I start talking too much. See, today, guys, I have something interesting I wanted to share with you guys, and trust me, this has been long coming. I don't know why I never, or have never even shared this with you guys. Yeah, guys, today I'll be discussing things I regret bringing to Canada. In fact, things you should not bring when you're coming to Canada in this 2024. Like, guys, I don't even know who sent me. But anyway, before I brought most of these things, I actually researched. I did my research before I decided to bring them. But I think some of those information I did research on were just misleading. And aside that, a lot of people were advising, oh, take this one, which I felt in my head, this is going to be very essential when I come here. But trust me, guys, like, I wish I never brought them. So yeah, if you know you're interested in this video, all you have to do is just to keep watching. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it, things I regret bringing to Canada and things that are essential that I should be bringing to Canada. Anyway, I think as a spirit lead, guys, so let's get into the real deal. The first thing I regretted bringing was bringing jeans. A lot of people were like, bring a lot of jeans when you're coming into this country. They will tell you don't bring a lot of clothing, but that jeans specifically was what I heard. Bring a lot of jeans, it's very expensive when you come here. Believe me when I say it is not actually necessary. See, it is just one thing that I wish I never brought. In fact, this thing took a lot of space in my bag. If I knew, I shouldn't have even added it, because these things, they weigh too much. The jeans weigh too much, so I don't even know who sent me. But believe me, guys, it's not like I don't know who sent me. I did research on YouTube, and I saw a lot of people say, oh, carry jean is very expensive in this country. But do you know that over time I realized that it is not even it's not so expensive. Let me not even lie. Anyway, expensive can be relative, right? I hope I'm using the right English. I feel bringing jean that is under the clothing part is not just necessary, because you find out that when you come in here, the kind of clothing they wear is kind of different from what you wear back home. If you want to bring your jean trouser, it's left for you, but I will advise, don't bring jean trouser here. Please use your space, optimize it for something useful. Yeah, the second thing I wish I never brought into this country, like I wish I never really brought this thing into this country. Anyway, I'm going to be looking down my laptop so I can just point out everything to you guys. I don't want to miss out anything. Yeah, was guys, winter jackets. You see under clothing, but let me just say what I have to say. Do you know that I thought that the winter jacket in my home country is going to be, you know, effective when I come here? I don't know if you watched my previous vlog when I was moving into Canada, where I went to market Yaba to buy winter jacket. If you know you have not seen that video, I'm definitely going to be attaching the video on the screen so you can watch it. Guys, I bought a lot of winter jacket thinking in my head, this thing is going to help. But do you know when I experienced winter here, I realized those things were just useless. Like, they did not add any value to me. I had to come here and I had to buy a winter jacket. I know people might tell you winter jackets are expensive here, but guys, see, why buying something that when you come here, you probably might not use it, or it probably might not even work for what you want to use it for. So just close your eye, buy one, come back here. Over time, you can save and just buy something useful, and just wasting your money buying a lot of jacket that you probably might not use here. So that's another thing I wish I never brought. That's still under clothing. Yeah, I hope I'm making sense. At this point, I think I'm just saying everything scatter, but I know you guys shall understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah. And another thing that I wish, God, I never brought was drugs. Like, what was I thinking? You know, I packed a lot of malaria drugs, a lot of antibiotics. I just brought different drugs when I was coming to this country. Though I heard there's no malaria or mosquito here, but I don't know, on the second thought, I just thought, let me just bring them, because you can never tell, you can never say. Anything can just happen. But I realized since I came here, I've never used those drugs. Even the paracetamol, I have never used them. Everything is just packed the way I brought them. And this thing took a lot of space. See, if I knew earlier, things I know now. See, my space, the space I had in my luggage, all those things that were taking spaces, I would have pulled them out and used them for more important things. Like I keep saying this, optimize your luggage. Use your luggage for more useful things. That's another thing I feel you should not be bringing if you're coming to this country. I don't think you should be bringing malaria drugs I don't know, but that is what I feel. I know I watch a lot of YouTube channels that were like, oh, bring your drugs because, you know, here you cannot trust them. But at the long run, like I keep saying, I never see that drug is still the way it is. All these things I'm trying to share with you guys is still optional. You can decide to bring them, you can decide not to bring them. But these are things that I wish I never brought when I was coming to this country. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go into is it the third or the fourth one? I think it should be the fourth one now. Yeah, it should be the fourth one. I don't know, but let's just check out what we have here. And guys, yeah, another thing you should not bring is makeup. Ha! I don't know. See, I did a lot of like I said, I did a lot of research. People said, oh, bring this one, bring that one. But I realized for me, coming here, all these things are really not necessary. I won't lie about it. Makeup is not necessary. Hey, God. I know somebody will still tell me, it's a lie, bring makeup. For me, it is not necessary. Optimize your space. Use them for better things. Like I keep saying, use them for food stuff because those are the things that you will need more. Makeup, you can go into any drugstore, you can go into any store and buy makeup. Yeah, guys, that will be that for that particular aspect. Yeah, another thing I feel you should not bring when you're coming to this Canada. Like I said, it is still optional. If you want to bring them, it's your choice. If you don't want to bring them, it's left for you. But these are things I regret bringing when I was coming to this country. It's jewelries. Like, guys, I don't even know. Sometimes I keep telling myself, why did I bring all of these things? And I end up, in fact, till now, I still don't use them. See, I feel these things are things you can access when you come into this country. You can even see better ones. Use your space for something more useful, like food. Like I keep saying, food is essential here, especially your kind of food. Except you know you're someone that you don't care about your traditional food. You can come here and just, you know, you can adapt easily. But if you know you're someone that cannot adapt, like someone like me, I've been finding it so difficult because, guys, I love to eat swallow. Anybody that knows me will tell you I love traditional food. I'm not much of a burger, fries kind of girl, right? I like to eat my traditional food. And coming here, it has been quite challenging for me. I won't lie about that, guys. I'm just trying to, you know, adapt as much as I can. So just take your time and rethink these things before you start packing your luggages. I'm not saying that most YouTubers or people that I watch their video were liars. Maybe those things were essential for them. But for me, it's not just, I don't know if this thing depends on individual now. I don't even know what to say. But the truth about it is that some of these things I mentioned, you don't need them when you come here. I think that will also be that for the jewelry. So please, guys, don't pack jewelry. You're going to see a lot of jewelries when you come here. And yeah, guys, another thing you should not be bringing into this country when you're coming into Canada in 2024, hey guys, don't bring sunglasses. Yeah, I think I also packed a lot of sunglasses. Guys, I think this is just particular to me now. This particular one it's talking to me, even mad as I'm talking about this. You know, I love sunglasses a lot. It might not be you. You might not be someone that loves sunglasses anyway. So if you know you're not a sunglass babe or whatever, just skip this part. But for me, that love sunglasses, I packed a lot of sunglasses, sunshade, or whatever you guys call it. And I realized that I don't even need them. As much as I know that, yeah, I might not get to spend money buying lots of them, but at the long run, like, you will still get to buy. No matter how you want to dodge from, oh, I don't want to spend my, you will still get to buy. So what was the point of bringing these things when I could just save this space and pack enough food stuff for myself? But either which way, these are the things that I regret bringing when I was coming to this country. So if you know you want to avoid this mistake, it's left for you. So guys, learn to pack things that are essential. Things like your food stuff. You know what? I'm going to do the video of things you should be bringing to Canada. I think that will be a different video entirely, so that you guys can get to understand what I'm trying to say better. I think that will be my next video. I don't know. Or a vlog that should be coming up next. I don't know which one. But I'm definitely going to tell you guys things you should be bringing into Canada when you're coming to it. Things that I feel that are essential than all these things that I'm mentioning that are not essential. Anyway, what else? I think we have one more or two more to go. And yeah, guys, the last but not the least for today, this is especially for my girls in the house, for the ladies in the house. See, if you know you're coming into this country, don't pack a lot of heels. I mean, heels, your footwear. Don't fill your space with heels instead of using it to do something more important or taking things that are more important, because you realize you might not wear, in fact, you will not wear heels here. You find out you wear a lot of sneakers, a lot of sneakers. That is what you wear here. Canvases, that is all you wear most times here because of the cold. So please don't pack all the heels in your house and think that you're going to come and rock it. You barely might not even wear it. In fact, I'm telling you, with my foot chest. Yeah, so just make sure you optimize your space well. See, you see this thing I'm saying, optimize, because at the long run, you don't want to pay for extra luggages on things that are not useful. When you come here, you just start regretting. I don't spend money paying extra luggage for things that I'm not even using. So guys, don't bring heels. If you know you're a girl in the house, if you know you're a lady in the house, please don't pack a lot of heels when you're coming here because you will not use them. So take your time, pack things that you feel are necessary. Like I said earlier, guys, I'm going to be putting out another video of things you should be bringing when you're coming into Canada in 2024. I think that will be the end of this video, guys. If you know you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, comment. Let me know your thoughts or what you feel that is essential. If you know you live in Canada, or what you think are essential when you're coming into Canada, or things that you think are not essential when you're coming into Canada. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comment section. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.